Dear students, in this session, NEET 2024 Chemistry Question Discussion, Part 2. Chemistry is easy. Question number 56. Identify the correct reagents that would bring about the following transformation. இங்க என்ன transformation ஆயிருக்கு? CH double bond CH2 alkene வந்து aldehyde வந்து convert ஆயிருக்கு, right? அப்ப இந்த reactionsல alkene வந்து aldehyde convert ஆகணும்னா first alkene வந்து alcohol. ஸோ ஆல்கஹாலா சேஞ்ச் ஆகணும்னா ஹைட்ரோபோரேஷன் ஆக்சிடேஷன் ரீஏஜென்ட் வந்து இங்க ஆட் ஆயிருக்கும். ஸோ ஹைட்ரோபோரேஷன் ஆக்சிடேஷன் ரீஏஜென்ட் சொன்னா ஆப்ஷன் 2 and 3ல தான் இருக்கு. ஹியர் இந்த equationsல here I'm writing what is hydroboration oxidation. It is used to prepare alcohols in accordance with the anti-Markovnikov rules. அப்ப anti-Markovnikov rulesனா என்ன? Addition of water, here addition of water takes place finally will get பிரைமரி ஆல்கஹால். அப்போ இட்ஸ் ஆன்டி மார்க்கோனிவ் ரூல் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா எங்க டபுள் பாண்ட் இருக்கோ பாண்ட் பிரேக் ஆகி ஹச் இங்க ஓஹெச் இங்க, ரைட்டா? அப்போ இந்த இடத்துல வந்து CH2 இங்க போட்டிருக்கேன் CH2 தென் CH2 OH2 இந்த டேர்ம். இட்ஸ் a சிம்பிள், வெரி சிம்பிள். தென் இதுல வந்து PCC ஆட் பண்ணும்போது PCC இட் இஸ் நத்திங் பட் பிரிடினியம் குளோரோக்ரோமேட் ஆட் பண்ணேன்னா PCC ஆக்சிடைசஸ் பிரைமரி ஆல்கஹால் டு ஆல்டிகைடா கன்வெர்ட் ஆகும், ரைட்? அப்போ என்ன ப்ராடக்ட் கிடைக்கும்? This is a final product, right? Instead of water in acid medium கொடுத்தோம் அப்படின்னா நமக்கு secondary alcohol தான் ஃபார்ம் ஆகும். ஸோ secondary alcoholல PCC react பண்ணா it will give a ketone தான் கிடைக்கும். அப்ப primary alcoholல PCC react பண்ணாதான் நமக்கு வந்து aldehyde வந்து ஃபார்ம் ஆகும். அப்ப primary alcohol எங்க ஃபார்ம் ஆகும்? ஹைட்ரோபோரேஷன் ஆக்சிடேஷன் reagent ஆட் பண்ணும்போது நமக்கு அங்க வந்து primary alcohol வந்து ஃபார்ம் ஆகும். ஸோ செகண்ட் ஆப்ஷன் இஸ் த கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லைட்ல நான் ரியாக்ஷன் மெக்கானிசம் வந்து கொடுத்திருக்கேன். Question number 57. Match list 1 with list 2. So here list 1 is a process, list 2 is a condition. So first process isothermal. Iso means same or constant. So thermal means is a temperature, right? Appo isoprocess means carried out at a constant temperature. The next process isochoric. Choric means volume. So volume constant. So third condition carried out at a constant volume. The next isobaric process, baric, right? So it's a P, pressure is a constant. So isobaric process carried out at constant pressure. Next adiabatic process, so no heat exchange. So now we go to check, choose the correct answer. A is connected with the 2. So first option is wrong, second is wrong, third is wrong, and fourth. Now we go to check second another process. Isochoric is connected with the third condition and isobaric process connected with the fourth condition. Then adiabatic process connected with the first condition. It's a no heat exchange. So fourth option is the correct answer. Question number 58. Which one of the following alcohols react instantaneously with the Lucas reagent? So Lucas reagent, tertiary alcohol, then followed by secondary alcohol, the next is the primary alcohol. So tertiary alcohol react with the Lucas reagent, it will get product immediately. Secondary alcohol means it will take a sum of time, and primary alcohol no reaction. So which option have a tertiary alcohol? Just you have to find. Here first option alcohol carbon connected with only one carbon, that's mean it's a primary. Then alcohol carbon connected with two carbon, that's mean it is a secondary alcohol. Then next alcohol carbon connected with only one carbon, so it is a primary alcohol. Next alcohol carbon connected with 1 2 3 carbon, so it is a tertiary alcohol. So which option is the correct answer? Fourth option is the correct answer. Question number 59. In which of the following equilibria Kp and Kc are not equal? So what is the formula? Kp equal to Kc into Rt to the power of delta Ng. Suppose delta Ng is a 0. So what happened? Kp equal to Kc into Rt to the power of 0. Anything to the power of 0 is a 1. So finally we get Kp equal to Kc. What is the questions? Kp and Kc are not equal, right? Here del Ng, what is the meaning of del Ng? It's a moles of product minus moles of reactant. Now we go to check first option. Here moles of product is a 2, moles of reactant is a 1, right? அப்போ 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So Kp equal to Kc RT to the power of 1. Here is the answer, right? Then now we go to check second option. Here moles of product is a 2 and moles of reactant also 2. So 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. That means del N is 0. So del N is 0 means what? Kp equal to Kc, right? So second option is not correct. Then next third option, here is a moles of product is a 2 and the moles of reactant also 2. Then 2 minus 2 is equal to what? So Kp equal to Kc. So third option is not correct. And fourth, moles of product is a 2 and moles of reactant also 2. That's mean Kp equal to Kc. So fourth option is not correct. So correct option, it's the first option is the correct answer. Question number 60. Match list 1 with list 2. So list 1 quantum number, list 2 information provided. ML means what? Magnetic quantum number. So talk about orientation of orbital. Then MS means spin of quantum number, right? Then upper orientation of spin of electron. Then L is a azimuthal quantum number. Talk about shape of orbital. Then N is nothing but N is a principal quantum number. So size of orbital. Now we go to check options. A is connected with 3. So here is 2 options. And B is connected with 4. And here is again 2 option. And C is connected with 1, right? So option second option is the correct answer. Given question number 61. Given below are two statements. Statement 1. Aniline does not undergo Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. Yes, it is true because aniline is a plus some effect. Strong electron releasing group. Here anhydrous aluminum chloride is a Lewis acid. It is electron deficient. So due to salt formation with aluminum chloride, so aniline does not undergo Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. The Lewis acid which is used as a catalyst. Statement 2. Aniline cannot be prepared Cabriel synthesis. Yes, it is also true because cyclic ring converted into open chain. So aniline cannot be prepared through Cabriel synthesis because aniline is a aromatic primary amine. Aromatic primary amine means it is a cyclic structure, right? அப்ப Cabriel synthesisல cyclic இருக்கக்கூடியத ரிங்ல இருக்கக்கூடியத converted into open chain தான் நம்ம ப்ராடக்ட் வந்து ஃபார்ம் பண்றோம். அப்ப அனிலின் வந்து அங்க வந்து ப்ராடக்டா நமக்கு கேப்ரியல் சிந்தசிஸ்ல வந்து ஃபார்ம் பண்ண முடியாது. ஸோ ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் 2 ஆல்சோ கரெக்ட். அப்ப விச் ஆப்ஷன் இஸ் கரெக்ட்? ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஆப்ஷன். போத் ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் 1 and 2 are true. Question number 62. Intramolecular hydrogen bonding is present. We can see orthonitrophenol because hydrogen bonding connected with more electronegative atom like oxygen. So in this hydrogen atom connected with another more electronegative atom of oxygen. So here is form intramolecular hydrogen bonding. So first option is the correct answer. Here nearest electronegative group கூட hydrogen bonding வந்து connect ஆகணும். Right? So first option is the correct answer. Here second option பாத்தீங்கன்னா it is not nearest. It is a para position இருக்கு, right? And option third is not possible for intramolecular hydrogen bonding. So first option is only possible. Orthonitrophenol. Question number 63. On heating, some solid substance change from solid to vapor without passing through liquid state. The technique used for the purification of such a solid substance based on the above principle is known as a sublimation. So second option is the correct answer. Question number 64. In which of the following process entropy increases? எப்போ வந்து entropy increase ஆகும்? Disorder particles இருக்கும் போது entropy வந்து increases இருக்கும், right? So solid to liquid போகும்போது entropy வந்து increases இருக்கும். Then liquid to gas convert ஆகும்போது entropy வந்து more increases, right? So first option, a liquid evaporates to vapor. So liquid to vapor convert ஆகும்போது here entropy is increases, right? So option A வந்து entropy increase ஆகுது. Then second option, temperature of a crystalline solid lowered from 130 Kelvin to 0 Kelvin. That means temperature வந்து decrease ஆகும்போது then the entropy also decreases. So option B ல வந்து entropy decrease ஆகுது. Then third option, here solid state ல இருந்து it will converted into 2 mole of gaseous state. அப்ப solid to gaseous state convert ஆகும்போது entropy வந்து increases ஆகுது. So option C, entropy increases. Then option D, here is a 1 mole of gaseous state converted into 2 mole of gaseous, right? அப்ப here is also entropy increases. அப்ப choose the correct answer from the options given below. Here A, C, D. So which option, third option is the correct answer. Question number 65. Among group 16th element, which one does not show -2 oxidation state? So 16th group elements, oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, the next is a polonium, right? Here top to bottom electronegativity decreases. That means oxygen is a higher electronegative atom, so polonium is a less electronegative atom, right? Here top to bottom electronegativity decreases means metallic character increases. Here oxygen is a more electronegative character, so oxygen it show -2 oxidation state. So top to bottom போகும்போது polonium it is not show -2 oxidation state because top to bottom electronegativity decreases. So which option is correct? Polonium is the correct answer.